issued a thunderstorm warning for South Central Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, South County, Carolina, Southeastern Union County in upstate South Carolina until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles west of Indian Land to 15 miles north of Newberry, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source.
They're related in a minute.
Chapel, Wingate, Waxhaw, Marshville, and Mineral Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag WXL70.
Southeastern Union County in upstate South Carolina until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles west of Indian Land to 15 miles north of Newberry, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Rock Hill, Monroe, Chester, Weddington, Fort Mill, Wesley Chapel, Wingate, Waxhaw, Marshville, and Mineral Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Mecklenburg and Union, and the following counties in South Carolina, Chester, Union, and York.